This is another record trigger flow in case object. In my friend's company, they told him to, like they were having some issues, like they wanted that in every case that is created, they wanted that in the contact field, there must be a primary contact in every contact field of case object when our case is created. So for that reason, I have created a flow, and that is absolutely possible to automatically fill the primary contact whenever a case is created, and no one has to do that manually. So for that, I have created is on contact. I have created a big list that name is let me remind, that name is account roles, and that is here. So I have created a field that is account roles, and having a big list values are just random, but I just wanted the primary contact and others are random. So whenever when any contact, this primary contact is selected, that contact will be the primary contact of that account. So coming to the flow, so the thing is, we need to just be have created the record trigger flow on the case object. Whenever the case is created, we want every case, so we just have not applied the conditions, and we want, and we just create this for after the record is saved, because we need the related object records. So we need the, so to fill the contact field, we need the contact record first. So for that, we use the get record element here, and we are using the get contact object here, and for that we need those contacts that are having the, that is having the account role field is primary, and most importantly, that contact is having the same account ID that has the case account ID. So two conditions will be there. The account ID will be same, that has will be same the case account ID, and the account role is primary contact. We need that contact. Okay, fine. To just fill in the field of the contact ID or on that case that is newly created. So we just need the first record automatic store all fields. So we have just got the contact that is primary and has the same account ID to the case. So we will just go for the decision elements. Sometimes there are no contacts available that has this field fill in if this is a primary contact or not. So we will have the decision element. If the primary contact is found is null false, then it will go here and update the record of the case object like this. Case object a contact ID, case object's contact ID will be from the, if contact is not empty, then this primary contact is not empty, then just update the contact's ID of the case by the get record contact. So but if there is a possibility that the primary contact was not there, then just get the oldest contact on the account object. So we still need the account ID has to be same to the case account ID, and but just we need the created date to be the far very old. So then, and we again go for the CN element, and if the oldest contact is found, then it will go to the update. So in both of these contacts, from the oldest and from the primary contact, we give priority to the primary contact. So in the update record, we just fill in the formula that I will show you, and that if the primary contact was found, then just use the primary contact ID, and if that is not found and oldest is found, then just use the oldest contact ID. So the formula that I have created here, let me show you. So that shall be here like this formula, and this is here, and let me show you by adding. So this is a text formula. If a primary contact is there, is not there, is blank, actually is blank, then just use the oldest contact ID, otherwise just use the primary contact ID, and then done. And already saved it, and that's all for now. Meet you in the next session. Bye.